It's almost 1 o'clock for me already. Holy moly. Happy Thursday. Today is day 4 of our buy one, get one free deals. And it's even better than buy one, get one free because today is a BOGT. Buy one, two for free. I love this little trio. It is perfect for spring, and it's also perfect if you don't have any oils in your collection or just a few, and you want to start expanding with some things that are really versatile that you're going to be able to use every single day. I know maybe it sounds like I talk about how I use all my oils every single day, but that's not necessarily always the case. However, these 3 are some that you could absolutely integrate into all of your daily routines, and I think you're really going to love them. So today only, when you purchase Spearmint, you are actually going to be receiving Lemon and Eucalyptus for free. It's interesting because this is actually one of our favorite little blends that we have diffusing in our home often. I actually just had this going in the diffuser last week because it's been kind of gloomy and sad up here. It's really fresh and fun, all 3 of these together. So I feel like in a way I kind of manifested this little trio for you all. And I think it's absolutely timely with the fact that the weather is starting to change. A lot of us are starting to come out of self-isolation a little bit here at a time. And it's going to be really, really great to help us combat a lot of those like seasonal threats that are coming down the pipe. So first off, let's talk Spearmint. When you purchase Spearmint today, basically what you're getting is like peppermint's softer, nicer sister. So I love peppermint. It's a powerhouse. It's so great for so many things. Spearmint is a lot sweeter, and yet you can actually use spearmint for a lot of the same things you would use peppermint for. So I love to use spearmint in the diffuser to help with focus and being alert and happy. Spearmint's also really soothing for any kind of digestive discomfort, head tension, muscle tension you might have. One of my favorite uses for spearmint is actually during that time of the month for any kind of like menstrual discomfort that you might have going on. So I like to layer some of our deep blue, which is like our muscle rub there, and then I put a little layer of the spearmint essential oil on topically after that. I actually use spearmint before I hit live every single time I do a video or a training or a private one-on-one coaching session, because emotionally spearmint is the oil of confident speech. So if you do a lot of public speaking, or you feel like sometimes you struggle having the confidence and the clarity in your communication, and you want to figure out how to up-level that, then spearmint would be the one for you. It's going to help us kind of step into our power, speak our truth, be confident, and show up as fully ourselves, and also help to open up that throat chakra. So I just do a drop right here on the throat. You can also do a drop under the tongue or on the tongue. Add it in your water, add a drop to your toothpaste for fresh breath. It's a really awesome oil to have. Lemon is one of those oils that's like a toilet paper oil. It's one of those oils that I think everybody should have and you can never have enough of. Lemon is not my favorite oil, but it is definitely the oil that we use the most in our home because we're using it all of the time. So I actually have not purchased a cleaning product in over 6 years, and that's a lot in part thanks to Lemon. The cleaning products was one of the first things that I wanted to swap out when I first got started into like essential oils and using natural healthcare options and taking a look at our toxic load. So a lot of the chemicals that we might be using day to day in our household cleaning products are really harmful. They have a lot of additives and synthetics and chemicals in there that can cause respiratory discomfort and head tension and mood issues. So by using lemon essential oil and others, we can actually DIY all of our own cleaning products, have just the same results, if not better, I would argue, and none of the harmful side effects with the chemicals and all of that. So we like to use lemon in all of our cleaning products. I also use lemon in warm water every single morning. And if you have heard a gut health class from me before, or we've done a one-on-one coaching session before, I've probably told you to do this. This is like my number one thing for everybody, no matter where you are on the healthcare spectrum. If you're going to do one thing for yourself every day, when you wake up in the morning, make a cup of warm water, doesn't need to be hot, and add 2 drops of lemon into that warm water. That's going to help to wake up the digestive system and get all the juices flowing. Also helps to balance the pH in your stomach. So definitely be using lemon all the time. It's a great detoxifier. It's also good for cleaning anything. It'll take gum out your hair. It'll take permanent marker off your smartboard. I know from experience. It'll take sap off of your husband's sticky hands after he comes back in from cutting down trees. It's just a really great oil to have. Plus, it smells super fresh in the diffuser. I love it because it's the oil of focus, and I work from home. I know a lot of you are starting to work from home. It's a weird transition. Maybe you feel torn between, hey, I should clean the house, or like actually paint the cabinets on my pantry. Oh, you on Instagram, I don't think you can quite see the state of it too bad just yet, but I should be doing that instead of working, right? And our focus can get pulled in lots of different directions. So diffusing lemon or adding it to our water, putting it over our heart can really help us to stay a little bit more focused and more dialed in. Also helps to promote a little bit more energy and some clarity in our day-to-day activities, which is important. And then eucalyptus is probably one of the more widely known essential oils in conjunction with like lavender. because it's widely used in the perfume industry and the spa industry. So if you've been to a spa, you might have even seen eucalyptus leaves like hanging in a sauna, or smelled eucalyptus when you were getting a massage, right? Chances are that was probably a synthetic form of eucalyptus. So this is actually going to be a pure plant extract. So you're actually going to get more of those eucalyptus benefits, but it's really great for opening up the airways. So it's one of my favorites to have on hand during springtime sniffle season, like right now when everything is blooming. Well, maybe it's blooming for you. It's not spring here in Michigan just yet, but maybe where you are, it's springtime and things are blooming and there's pollen in the air and you've got some sniffles and itchy, watery eyes. Eucalyptus is really helpful for opening all that congestion and promoting healthy drainage. Eucalyptus is also emotionally the oil of wellness. So it's something that I have diffusing and over my heart each time I teach for my private oil community, or I do a one-on-one health consultation, because wellness is what we're doing here, right? That's the entire business that we're in. And so it really helps us to really take our power back and to step in this self-agency and ownership over the healthcare in our homes and in our bodies. So it's a really awesome oil to be using for that as well. And one more little factoid about eucalyptus, it's actually very supportive for breast health. So I posted my breast health blend yesterday. You can find it if you dig around a little bit, or just let me know and I can direct you. But it's very good for helping to detoxify the breast health tissues. When we think about detox, I don't think a lot of us think about detoxing our breasts, and they actually do so much for us in terms of like lymphatic support and drainage. And we want to make sure that we're helping the girls out as much as we can. So even just a couple of drops of your eucalyptus essential oil on your dry brushing routine, or in some coconut oil, will really help to reduce any of the toxins that might be lingering in your breast tissue there. So be using that as well to help the girls. If you have any questions at all about today's BOGO, let me know. I've dropped the links for you in my bio over on Instagram and underneath this video here on Facebook. I am around if you need any help at all. And I can't wait to see how many of you decide to get your BOGO on. If you're brand new to doTERRA and you want help choosing the best path, please let me know and we can set up a quick little 20-minute call so I can guide you. All right. I will be live tomorrow morning with day 5, which is our final day of BOGOs. I'm super bummed, but this has been an awesome week and I've had so much fun. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see each other soon. Bye.